Okay, I built this bench this past winter, and I put two leg vices, one on either end of it. And this leg vise has the traditional pin on the bottom, so when you're closing it, the pin engages and you clamp a piece. But you're limited to the dimension you can clamp without moving that pin. It's very easy to take it all the way off and have it out of the way though. This left vise, I have a chain mechanism on it, so it stays parallel throughout, and as you see, there are no holes in the bottom beam for any pins whatsoever. You can pan out, Christopher. It doesn't matter what the spacing is. I can clamp this in here. And go back in. Like that. I can clamp. It just doesn't matter. And because it's adjusted so that the top closes first, I can clamp one of these. Right in the top, and it doesn't move for a thumbs up. And here's something you can't do with any other leg vise. I'm going to crush this can completely. Hopefully. I haven't tried it yet. And there it is. Any other vise, you'd have to be moving that pin all the time to do that. You want to take a shot? Showing the inside a little bit. Go. No, to the back of the leg.
Oh, yeah.
And that's it. That's enough.